As this year is almost over, once again, it is my great pleasure and privilege to thank you all, our dear friends and benefactors. Your loving support and kindness over the years have been a source of hope and inspiration for us all, the Sisters of Mary, and the 21,000 children we care for. Though the global economic crisis affects our finances, but we thank God that you are all one with us. Your contributions have enabled us to continue with our mission. In the countries where we serve, many of the places were devastated by typhoons and flooding and drought in many parts of Tanzania. And this has increased poverty, unemployment, child abuse, child exploitation, drugs, and violence. As a result, many more children are in need of our help. And thanks to your generosity, we were able to accept more than 6,000 children, although it is heartbreaking to refuse many. We also were able to complete the first phase of our Boys Town complex in Tanzania. The 5-story building, which will be dormitories for 1,200 boys, will be completed by the end of this year. We were able to upgrade our workshops with modern equipments and tools. Repairs and maintenance and damages caused by typhoons were partially done. More than 4,000 students have graduated and are now having their work immersion and secure employment. Seeing the smiles of these children remind us of your generosity, and this gives us hope for a brighter future. Thank you for inspiring us to continue our mission, despite challenges that we may encounter. And I pray that you will continue to be one with us in our mission, since our needs continue to increase every time. May the Lord reward you 100-fold, and may you be filled with peace and joy this Christmas and all throughout the new year. Merry Christmas and God bless you all.